In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a primary and secondary Nessus scanner. We start by going into Settings and then Multi-Scanner. From the Server Role menu, we're going to choose Primary Scanner. This will generate a key, which we will copy and then save for later use. We can regenerate this key at any time by clicking the Regenerate Key button. Once we have that key, we're going to go to our secondary Nessus scanner. We're going to go into the same spot in Settings and then Multi-Scanner, and go into that same drop-down menu, except this time rather than choose primary, we're going to choose secondary scanner, as this will be our secondary scanner. We're presented with some options. We're going to give the scanner a name, and in the second box we're going to paste in the key that we got when we created the primary scanner. We're going to enter the primary scanner IP address and port and click Save. Now this secondary scanner will act as a scanner for the primary scanner. So we can go back to the primary scanner and see the status that's online, make sure that our secondary scanner is reporting back, then go create a new scan to use our new secondary scanner. I give it a name and a policy and choose a folder to store my scans in, just as I would any other scan that I create. Except in this case, there's a new drop-down menu that says Scanner, and I'm going to choose my new secondary scanner from the drop-down menu and enter in the IP address and targets that I want to scan and click Launch. This scan will run. It will come up in an initial status called pending. The scan has been sent over to the instructions to run on the secondary scanner. Then I can also look at some of the scans that I did previously. So here's a scan that I ran on the secondary scanner before. You can see it indicates which scanner ran the scan, and you can view your results just like you would any other vulnerability scan data. If I go back, I can see that it is still pending. So I can go to my secondary scanner. I can see that the scan is scheduled there because there's a 1 next to where it says scans. Now the scan is actually running. There's another spot. If I were to go back into the settings and look at all of my secondary scanners, I get a list of scans that are being run. If I click on that, I can see that it's still running my scan that I scheduled on that secondary scanner. All scans are stored on the primary scanner. One other thing I wanted to demonstrate is how to make the perimeter service scanner, or make a secondary scanner of your perimeter service. You can see there's a drop-down menu item in there. You can choose that on your secondary scanner, give it a name, enter in your perimeter service username and password, choose the server that you want to send it to, so that would be the IP address or host name of the perimeter service scanner that you want to make your primary. And now this allows you to have as many different Nessus scanners as you want, all reporting back up to your primary perimeter service scanner, allowing you to manage all of your Nessus servers from the cloud. A very powerful feature. Thanks everyone for watching.